Business isn't just theory, it's a mindset, a strategy, and the instinct to spot opportunities where others see roadblocks. At PSIT College of Higher Education Kanpur, our BBA program transforms bold ideas into boardroom ready skills. Open to arts, science, and commerce students, this isn't just a program, it's your launchpad to the world of business. Proudly affiliated to CSJMU Kanpur, NAC A++ QS ranked university, our program delivers not just functional business knowledge but also shapes the leadership and entrepreneurial instincts today's business world demands. Beyond the university curriculum, we instill leadership, entrepreneurship, business ethics, and professional accountability, grooming not just graduates but future ready decision makers. We empower our students with in-demand technical skills like data analytics, Python, MS Excel, SPSS, Tableau, and R Studio, giving them a sharp digital advantage in a data-driven market. Our future-focused curriculum covers business communication, financial management, marketing strategy, HRM, and new venture creation, turning textbook theory into market-smart business decisions. Alongside, we nurture critical leadership traits, decision making, communication, teamwork, negotiation, and office management. Because business isn't learned in isolation, our students work on live projects, brand audits, market research, and corporate internships with top names like HDFC Bank, Paytm, Decathlon, and Big Bazaar. They don't just observe from the sidelines, they lead and deliver. After completing BBA, students unlock careers in entrepreneurship, government, data analytics, sales, HR, retail operations, and more. PSIT CHE offers a conducive environment to students to prepare for CAT, MAT, and other management entrance exams to get admission in India's A-listed B schools. Graduates leave equally equipped for MBAs, specialized certifications, and the freedom to shape their own success stories. At PSIT CHE, academics meet ambition with Management Fest, Startup Pitch Contest, Leadership Conclaves, Business Quizzes, and Cultural Galas, forging sharp business minds and networks that last for a lifetime. The BBA program at PSIT CHE builds business leaders, not followers. If you are ready to learn the rules and then rewrite them, your journey starts here. PSIT CHE creates business minds built to lead.